Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pep Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. Final video tonight. Let's look at the cryptos. Bitcoin. We were watching 40,300. Sorry, getting a little tired. Holding above it on the closing basis, dip below, not quite yet to our 39,300 was the next level. What was the low so far today? The crypto carnage continues. The low was 39,600. Let me jump down that 4-hour chart. We do have a little potential double bottom here. Let me first move these levels to give you the updated. I can only use this as a pausing bar for now, and this is still technically a double bottom pattern unless we get a move below this 39,300. A move below this 39,300 and validates it. Let me put up the targets for the double bottom. Remember, double bottom is not official until you get a trade above this high. A trade above that high would be 43,639.88, so 43,640. And triggered with a close above that, then the targets would be around 45,360, 46,220, then 47.80. So those are your targets. Remember, that isn't validated if there is a move below 39,300. Looks like we might be getting some potential divergence, little waning momentum, but not substantial yet. Next levels below 39,300 are 38.6, then 37,000. Then we have, let me get to that daily chart. Then we have a major support coming in at 35,550 to 39,900 is my next major support. So that's what's going on there. We've broken critical support. We closed below it yesterday. We're into a clear path. By the way, the full target for that clear path is just below this 38,606, coming in right about 38,300. Ethereum. That sounds a little ridiculous. Sorry about being a little crazy. Back down 27.53. We're down below that. That was our next target. Next area, we had this little resistance ledge becoming support, and the 200 simple moving average about 25.90 is my next target lower. Let's check that 4-hour chart. That, by the way, this does not qualify as a potential double bottom because it is already moved beyond the requirements. So we do not have that like we do in Bitcoin. This has already hit 26.51. Already hit that. The next level down below that is 24.98. So I'd just be watching 2,500. Below that, 23.23, then 21.07 on a rally. Area, we might have some minor resistance about 28.90, but more significant resistance is coming in about 29.70, and then above that, I'd watch for 30.90. Those are your key downside and upside levels. No divergence pending on the daily. No bottoming pattern yet pending on the daily. Minor divergence setting up on the 4-hour. You can see here lower low price action so far, higher low RSI. So we might get a little bounce. If you go to 1 hour, your first area of resistance, should the bounce not be substantial, is about 28.20. And then I'd focus on that 28.90 level. That's what I have for you on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'll talk to everyone later. Bye for now.